What is Chat GPT? What is Open AI? What is this artificial intelligence that has turned banana? How can you get started? What can you do with it? How can you make money with it? And especially if you are in Forex trading niche like me, how can you make money with Chat GPT? These and so many other questions will be answered in this video. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living and I mentor others to success in Forex. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Chat GPT. How is it related to Forex, and what have I done with it to improve my algorithm, my trading softwares, and also my trading skills. So those are the things we're going to be looking into in this video. But however, if it is the very first time that you have stumbled or you just stumbled on this video or my channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course it's going to help this channel to grow, and I really appreciate you. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. I will dive into this video right in a second. All right, welcome back. This is going to be an exciting video. I'm so excited about it. I don't know about you, a few months ago, I started seeing all these videos about Chat GPT. I started, seeing some emails about it. I was just, ignoring them because, it's like, okay, this is a new technology. But then, a few months ago, actually a few weeks ago, I decided to take a look, and lo and behold, it's joy. It was just like, wow, what is this? What on earth is this? So now, what is a Chat GPT? Let's take a look. Okay, so from Wikipedia, as you can see, Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot, okay, developed by OpenAI and released in November 2022. So just about 6 months, and over 10 million users right now globally. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5. You can read more about all of this. I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video. You can read about all of this. I believe you are not interested in the theory. What you are interested in is, okay, how can you get started? So if you don't have an account with ChatGPT for now, I believe it's very free. All you have to do is go to chatgpt.com, and it's going to take you to this chat.openai.com. So if you don't have an account, this is what you are going to have, and you can just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to put in your emails, and once you put in an email, let's just say, okay, I put in an emails, and it just goes to continue. It's going to ask you to create a password. You create a password. It's just going to take you through the steps of signing up. It's just like any other application online, whereby you enter your email address, you confirm you verify your email address, then you enter your details. So once you enter your details, all you have to do is go back to the same URL, the same website. All right, so once you have created your account, all you have to do is go to chat.openai.com. So it's going to bring you to this platform. Okay, as you can see, you can just chat anything. These are the experiments I did with it. You see, Forex trading introduction. All I did was I just typed create an email about Forex trading, and it created this email for me. Okay, it created this email for me. I said, wow, introduction to Forex trading. Say, dear recipient, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to introduce you to the exciting world of Forex trading and share some information that might be of interest to you. Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the buying and selling of currency with the goal of making a profit from fluctuation in the values. It is the largest and most liquid market in the world with the average. This is so cool. This is so cool. After that, I put in, I said, okay, sniper bot. I just type sniper bot EA. That is one of my recent artificial intelligence that trade Forex for you on complete autopilot, 100% control autopilot. I mean, complete autopilot. So it says, as an artificial intelligence model, I cannot promote or endorse any specific product, service, or strategy related to Forex trading or any other financial investment. However, I can provide you with some general information on SniperBot EA in Forex trading. And he went ahead to give me this. I mean, this is cool. This is very amazing, you know. So I put in my name. I just want to see. Okay, he says, "Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot provide personal information or details about individual unless they are public figures or historical figures with widely available information. If you could provide me with more context or details on who Emmanuel Adegbola is or what you're looking for, I will be able to assist you." As okay. So I entered the Forex Apostle, and give to me as an artificial intelligence language model. I do not have access to private information, so I cannot provide personal details about individuals unless they are public figures. Are the same thing that is programming right there. However, it appears that the Forex Apostle is a self-proclaimed nickname, which is correct, or title for an individual involved in Forex trading. That is correct. It is possible that this person has a presence on social media, yes, trading forums, yes, or other online platform where they share their knowledge. I mean, this is really cool. So I went ahead also and I began to, you know, work on the algorithm as, okay, yeah, I need you to, you know, I just put it and say, write a MQL4 Forex code for me. And it says, okay, as an, you know, as an AI language model, I can certainly provide you with an example. So he give me this, and I say, wow. So immediately, you know, I call my developer. I say, wow, you know, we can really do this. We can integrate this to, you know, my software, you know. And right now we are, you know, we've upgraded, updated, you know, SniperBot EA, and we've, you know, integrated with ChatBot EA, this Chat GPT technology. So because, I mean, let's face it, you and artificial intelligence, who do you think is smarter? So, I mean, take a look at this. Anyway, so let's go into how do you set this up. Okay, if you are just getting started, I've told you how you can sign up, how you can just play around this. This is really cool. I think it's very cool. Now you can also configure this. You can set the template up. Okay, how can you do that? Goes to if you go over here, right, platform.openai.com/playground, you can adjust, as you can see right there, maximum length. You can increase this maximum length. You can set all these settings right there, which is cool. I think it's cool. This is really good for you if you're a student, if you want to write an essay, you want to do a project, you want to complete an assignment, homework. You can use this. And as a business person, you can do a research. In fact, I'm beginning to think that as time goes on, this might replace Google. Trust me, this might replace Google, because there are a lot of programs also coming up right now that you can actually use this with. Take, for instance, this is one of the Chat GPT program related that I bought. You know, this is an AI text to speech. So let's say, for instance, I want to generate, I can just type just anything, like any content right there. I pick, let's say I want to use, this is one of the, I just bought this software also, so you guys you can check it out. I will put the link at the description. I'm not affiliated to any of them. So let's say, okay, I put a brand and put this, you select the language. Let's say I'm selecting English. English or US. So let me just type, let's say, hello, my name is Emmanuel. Let me say Emmanuel Adegbola, popularly known as the Forex Apostle. So all you have to do is just say generate, and boom, it will just generate for me right there. This is it, right there, right there. Oh, instead of L, I say L. So I mean, this is the one I created for church. As you can see, you click on download. So this is really cool. So once again, you know, you can just play with this. It's always very good to explore, especially new technology. You don't want to be left behind. You don't want to be left behind. I'm going to leave the description of this video and what we are doing also with this technology together with a forex niche. Very soon, I'm going to be creating video about it, and we'll make that available for you. By the way, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, and come on now, let's grow this channel together. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.